Two-factor authentication, not working on an InvestEngine App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the InvestEngine app, you're definitely not the only one. This problem can show up after updates, phone changes, or when codes just mysteriously stop matching. But the fix is usually simple once you know where to look. Here's the first step: check your phone's date and time settings. Two-factor authentication, or FAT, depends on precise timing between your phone and InvestEngine servers. Go to your settings and make sure set time automatically is enabled. That tiny adjustment can instantly fix invalid codes. Next, open your App Store or Google Play and ensure the InvestEngine app is up to date. Old versions can lose sync with authentication systems, especially after new security patches. If you're using text-based verification and not receiving the code, turn off Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data. Also, try disabling your PIN, which can block automated messages or delay delivery. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, open it and check that its internal time is synced correctly. Look in the app settings for sync time for codes tapping that often resolves mismatch code errors immediately. Still having issues? Log out of InvestEngine, uninstall the app, then reinstall it. This clears cached data that might be interfering with secure logins. When you reinstall, make sure to re-enable for using your preferred method. If you've changed your device or lost access to your Authenticator app, tap Can't Access Two-Factor and follow the steps to securely reset your authentication settings. Once everything's synced and updated, your FAT should work perfectly again. Remember, while it might feel like an extra hurdle, two-factor authentication is one of the strongest protections keeping your portfolio and personal data safe inside InvestEngine.